Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SIM swap protection with Verizon account controls step by step clearly. To set up SIM swap protection with your Verizon account, start by opening the Verizon website or app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section, typically found in the main menu. Look for Account Security or Account Controls in the drop-down options. Click on Account Security to proceed. In the Account Security section, find the option labeled SIM Swap Protection. Select that option to access the settings for SIM swap. You will see information about what SIM swap protection does and how it can help. Read through the details and click on Enable or Turn on to activate the protection. You may be prompted to create a new security PIN if you haven't set one up yet. Follow the instructions to create a strong, unique PIN that you will remember. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again as prompted. After setting up the PIN, ensure that you review any additional security options offered. You may also want to enable two-factor authentication if it's available. Once you have completed all steps, double-check that SIM swap protection is activated. Log out of your account to ensure your changes are saved securely. Keep a record of your security PIN in a safe location to protect your account further. Your SIM swap protection is now set up, providing an additional layer of security for your Verizon account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.